What is happening, people? Thought I'd hop on here and share the experience that I am having. It's beautiful out here. I'm at this at this plant, at a paper plant in Escanaba, Michigan, and I've been here for a good 3-4 hours. And so finally, I'm like, okay, I gotta do something. I gotta walk or see what's going on or explore or something. And I came across this place. Beautiful. I don't know what river this is. I should have looked that up before I started recording. But it's a very, very nice, calming, and relaxing area here. And it's crazy what nature does to you when you're in a calm setting like this. It just calms you. Nature calms you, It does something. I don't know what it does. I don't know. Even this little, this is right by the plant too. This little spot here just relaxes you, I went through some trees and then here I am. It's like a whole different world. I mean, you can kind of hear the trains in the background or whatever, but when those aren't going, you can't hear anything, and it's just so relaxing. I suggest that everybody do this. Go by a body of water, or go by, somewhere in the woods, and just find some peace for a little bit. Gotta find some peace, man. I always like seeing plants randomly growing in rocks. That old cliche, it gives you hope. Gives you hope about life, There's one right there, and then there's a couple right there. And then as you can see in the distance, there's grass growing in the rock. But yeah, I decided to sit by this guy and watch the river, feel the wind on my bald head, listen to the waves, listen to the birds. It's pretty sweet, man. I suggest everybody do this, because this is what life's about right here. Oh yeah. This just reminds you that there's much more to life than the hustle and bustle, I mean, look at that. Clear skies. Everything's green. The water is calming. It's good stuff. This is where it's at. Look at this. We got some friends. Hell yeah. Look at that. I'm in nature, bro. I am in freaking nature. This is nature. Look at that. That's mama deer teaching baby deer how to do some things. Yeah. This is awesome. Look at how close they are. They're just chilling. I better watch myself. But yeah, this is great.